Hello everybody, how are you? I am Zef and your teacher here, and I will be teaching you different questions and their answer. So I welcome you on classtheta.com where we will be discussing question. So let's get on the question. So our today's question is, which of the following is not accurate as concerns the online retailers of unmanned aerial view drones and or buyers of unmanned aerial view drones and or the buyer of unmanned aerial view drones? The correct answer of the question is because your company sells its UAV drone models at the company's own website in direct competitions with other online retailers of UAV drones. These online retailers are inclined to stock and display your company's brand of drones. Only ID they can purchase your company's brand of drones at a discount of at least 35% below the average online retail price your company charges for its drone models. So that's the correct answer of the question. If you have any question, leave a comment. I will be answering you as soon as I can. Thank you very much for watching the video. Please do not forget to like, share and subscribe our channel. Until next question, bye bye.